'cause I've been working hard for too long now. Because I told them I ain't going. I've been working hard for too long now. I got some pain that I ain't showing. I don't know why they keep on fucking with me. The high grade it keeps on flowing. It'll take me higher to the sky, but my family is going. I'ma keep it real until I die, and try to style me where you going. I've been working hard for too long now, but my weather ain't showing. Something's gotta happen now. Yo, make them keep on talking. All the raftage, yo, my fire's everlasting. Look, fire. Them try to style me on some laughing. Steady, keep on graphing. I will be the one that's laughing. Yo, they ask me if I'm rich, well, always asking. How much? Well, what is rich to you? How much are we talking? Yeah, because rich to me is life. And we reach too far along this road, they stopping for no lights now. Because I told them I ain't going. I've been working hard for too long now. I got some pain that I ain't showing. I don't know why they keep on fucking with me. The high grade it keeps on flowing. It'll take me higher to the sky, but my family is going. I'ma keep it real until I die, and try to style me where you going. I've been working hard for too long now, but my weather ain't showing. Something's gotta happen now. Yo, me not like how them a go on. No. I knew that I was different from the day that I was born. Look, them love to judge me, but it's calm. I got some pain inside me, yo, just listen when I talk. And I completely understand if you don't rate me. There's a lot of people in this world, some people hate me. But I got my fan base and they love me and they rate me. So I ain't gonna stop until you must be fucking crazy. You're mad. Because I told them I ain't going. I've been working hard for too long now. I got some pain that I ain't showing. I don't know why they keep on fucking with me. The high grade it keeps on flowing. It'll take me higher to the sky, but my family is going. I'ma keep it real until I die, and try to style me where you going. I've been working